All right, I'm a dummy and I thought I shot an intro, but we're at Drift NWA for the Toge event, and it was a blast. So just sit back, watch the video. We get into some crazy stuff, and yeah, you'll see. It was nuts.
Car comes.
No, we're good.
Okay, they're gonna shut it down. Oh, man.
You good, dude?
Yeah. Oh, he all good? Steering locked up.
Oh, you debeated.
Yeah.
Oh, man. That sucks, dude. And we're already getting towed. Sick. I got one lap in. That's a really bad one. You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry about that.
You're good. You okay? Oh shit. Driver's okay.
That was.
Are you sure you're good?
Huh?
We're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's in the ravine. He's okay though.
Sorry about that.
You're good.
Much pressure.
Huh?
Cars behind you.
What?
Too much pressure. Too many cars.
The guy like bobbled, and then it made me bobble, and then I f***ed it up.
Yeah. You're good. No smoke or anything.
Yeah. No, it's still running. So.
You wanna try and get out?
For a second, I thought you meant the car. I'm like, dog. I know it's a Mustang, but she ain't doing that. All right, so the car looks good. I haven't jacked it up yet, but I did crawl around and I just drove it and it feels fine. I think that wheel is bent from what I've been told, and this frame rail is messed up, but I don't really think it's too much behind the strut tower. Strut tower looks fine. It's got a little bubble there, but this whole thing is kinked. So I hook the truck to it and pull it straight-ish for now, just to do it, because that way I can put the hood back on and stuff. All right, DeBakey's gonna pull the truck up. We're gonna try to pull this straight. Go slow with it. Okay, pull it. Oh, hey, hey. You f***ing totaled it. Come back. It's Saturday or Sunday morning. We got the car on jack stands. We did a rip last night. The car felt really good, except we broke this motor mount. So luckily my buddy Jeff lives really close. He was able to take the motor mount off his car because it's down for off-season upgrades. So he hooked us up with his motor mount, and now we got to get it swapped out from in there. So that's what we're doing first thing this morning, and we'll be able to rip the track here in probably an hour. Hell yeah. Okay, so we went up and down the mountain. My GoPro didn't have a drive in it, but the car rips, feels great, and the track's super gripped up today from all the rubber we put down yesterday, so it's even more difficult to drive. But yeah, this track's just fun. I can't wait to just keep driving and have some fun.
Dance with me while the evening moon shining on.
that'll be the weekend for me.
All right, we made another mistake and got into the tree a little bit in the back. We bent the arm and the axle, and the front nose piece is pretty bent, but the front Wisefab held up great again somehow. So take the wins where we can. This track is definitely no joke. One little mistake, like going a touch too wide, and you can ruin your whole weekend. So track's really sick. It's a lot of adrenaline to run. I'll definitely be back, but it's definitely expensive to run when you're trying to full send it the whole time and do stupid shit like this. But I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, buy some merch off the website so I can get this thing put back together, and we'll see you later.